9 years ago, an idea was born. After watching videos of people modifying mowers, I decided I was going to join the fun. A 1998 Murray widebody was purchased. So begins the MightyRaze Garage legend, Little Red. Red has gone through many upgrades. Paint, pulleys, tires, and dock-locked. Little Red continued to evolve. Bumpers, exhaust, etc. Eventually, a monolink suspension and rack pinion was installed. At its prime, it was hood swapped and dialed in with new tires. Then we started to forget. New ratty builds took precedence over Little Red. The old hood was put back on and we went to Aspen. Disaster struck. Little Red was wrecked and rolled. The rider was okay. Little Red was attempted to be fixed, but ultimately, Little Red was parked and forgotten. Now, Little Red has been brought back from the recesses of the backyard, and it is going to get the fixes, updates, and new mods to return the legend to the top of the MightyRaze tractor list. Let me reintroduce Little Red. Let's get started.